Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti Puri this side, and today in this video I will be talking about the benefits of using niacinamide in skincare. So basically niacinamide is one skincare ingredient that I have been a fan of for a long time now. So before I start talking about it, I want to talk about my skin type first, what my skin type is. So I'm going to start with that in order for you to also understand my journey in order to use niacinamide and how far I've been really loving it in my skincare routine. So my skin type is a combination of oily T-zone. I get occasional hormonal breakouts around my chin area and my cheeks remain super dry. And on top of that, it all depends on that time of the month for my hormonal breakouts and what kind of foods I'm also eating. So if I am eating too much of processed food like chips, namkeen, and peanuts, also loads of nut, anything which has nut in it will also in the end cause a lot of breakouts around my chin area. So because of that, I have to really be careful what I'm also eating and what I'm drinking, and on top of that, the weather. So it's a factor of everything, and I do try to take care of my skin as much as possible and try to avoid these kind of certain foods. On top of that, I am now in my early 30s. Yes, so I am going to be 32 this year, and so I have to also again be more careful with my skin. So I have started using anti-aging skincare items also in my skincare routine because now I'm in my early 30s. Now, niacinamide is one ingredient which is very hyped up as well, and whenever you do try to use these kind of skincare items which have these hyped up ingredients, please always do your research. That's what I always try to do before I start using it. And so far, niacinamide has really worked out for me. That's why I'm making this video, so that it might be helpful for you all. So what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 which is found in certain food ingredients. So niacinamide is one ingredient which you can apply topically also and orally as well, depending on what issues you're going through and whatever your particular dermatologist subscribes to you, if you need it or not. But it's very famous to apply it topically because for that you don't really have to go to a doctor to consult it. And topically, whenever I use niacinamide, in my experience, it has worked out for me. So niacinamide is great if you are going through acne related problems. It's an anti-acne, anti-inflammatory, treats hyperpigmentation, anti-aging, and decrease oil reduction. It also enhances skin radiance, balances sebum activity, improves skin barrier function, evens out skin texture.
So I've been trying out the niacinamide skincare range by DermDoc brand. Great thing about this particular skincare range is that it's paraben free, silicone free, color free, sulfate free and cruelty free. This face wash has become one of my favorite. It has 4% niacinamide in it. You only need a very tiny amount and feels very gentle to the skin. I loved how well it lathered and it didn't dry out my skin after using it. And for this 4% niacinamide face toner, I like to apply it directly on my palms and then dabbing it on my face because that's how I like to apply my toners. This 10% niacinamide face serum, it's meant for all skin types and it has a very light watery consistency, quickly absorbs into the skin. And I love pairing the face serum with the 4% niacinamide day cream. This one has a gel-like consistency. Again, quickly absorbs into the skin, and I really loved this particular moisturizing face cream. And if you have under eye dark circles, then definitely do try out this particular baby white here. This eye cream comes with a metal ball applicator and it really helps to massage and calm down the puffiness of the eyes. Overall, I really enjoyed using the niacinamide skincare range by DermDoc. It's very affordable and it actually works, as you can see the glow on my face. DermDoc is available on purple.com. They have some amazing deals going on at this moment, so do check it out.
So niacinamide is one ingredient which you can use with retinol. So if you have started using retinol, you can use niacinamide in order to calm down whatever the side effects of retinol is. So basically, retinol, whenever you use it, you always have to be careful because it dries out the skin a lot in the end. So that those are the side effects. In order to combat the side effects of retinol, niacinamide is a very good property. If you're using a moisturizer of which has niacinamide, then it really helps to calm down the skin and gives that moisture back to the skin. So you will in the end enjoy the perks of the retinol ingredient and the niacinamide if you use a niacinamide moisturizer after you use the retinol. So using skincare ingredients like niacinamide, it really helped with the redness around my cheeks. So if you're suffering through eczema, if you're having dull skin and acne related issues where the skin becomes super irritated and inflamed, then niacinamide is one ingredient which kind of kills a lot of birds with one stone. You can target a lot of issues for your skin using just one ingredient. So niacinamide is something which really helped in minimizing my pores and then putting that moisture back into my skin and bringing that life back from my dull looking skin that I was suffering through. So if you are searching for something which is, you know, having these amazing skincare ingredients and you want to tackle these kind of particular issues, do try to look for the niacinamide ingredient in whatever skincare that you are planning to try out for yourself. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you all, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below whatever you want to say, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because it would really mean a lot to me. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.